This is Josh with MarineMax in New York. Today we're going to look at our new Sea Ray SLX 400. This particular boat has the black bottom, horizon gray sides. This boat's also equipped with triple 400 Mercury Verado motors. Top up, take a look inside. As we step into the cockpit, you can see the large power option this boat has with the triple 400s. Nice big sun pad back here for laying out. This cushion will move back. Allow for plenty of room. The side gunnel will fold out here, making you a great little swim platform to enjoy the day on the water. Beautiful solid wood table. Great summer kitchen option. 2 Kenyan electric grills. Sink. Place for your waste baskets. 2 fridges. Boat is equipped with a hardtop, sunroof. Moving forward, very nicely laid out helm station, joystick piloting, onboard VHF, 2 large Simrad multifunction electronic displays. Forward into the bow, plenty of room to sit up here to entertain. We also have stereo controls, windlass anchor, so we step into the cabin. Great little area forward here to sit around a table. Porthole with natural light. Nice Samsung TV. Controls. Another fridge. Microwave. Very nice head. Skylight to let natural light in. To see all the options this boat has to offer, please click the link below or give us a call or visit us at our Huntington location in New York. We'll be happy to show you all the features. Thank you.